Oh yeah,
Hey guys, welcome back
this
to
food is so good.
Photoshop. We're here with
Yeah.
Jtateson and Orangecreem.
Of Orange Beam's fame.
Oh. So first, we need our logo, our iconic Jtateson logo.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
woke.
oh yeah, that's the woke
Yeah.
version. The viewers, they aren't gonna like that. Put it right about here. And fill that nice and good. Alright, now we need to tell the people who we are. Where are we?
Jtateson.
We are Jtateson.
We're Jtateson.
We should use the cool text thing I put in the thing.
Oh, that's a cool text.
That's
Whoa,
a very
that
cool
is pretty
text.
cool text.
Are you gonna put a Easter egg for people watching on their TV?
Yeah.
A big old wiener.
And we gotta accentuate it because we are Jtateson.
That's us. We should have like
Wow, that's
the
cool.
people that viewers know and love. Have them come out of the mouth,
Gotta
like
get
they're
out.
like getting sucked in from the mouth, kind of. You know what I mean? Like Frank.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a subtitle?
Oh yeah, we do actually. When you're here, your family.
Family.
Or,
I like to get my dick sucked
I
while
like
I'm
to
getting high.
I likes to get my
I
dick
say, who
sucked.
pussy is this? You say dollar sign.
Dollar sign. Who pussy is this? You say dollar sign.
and then we need pink for Jason, and then blue for Tate. Right.
Can you add a video game to let people know that you play video games?
Oh yeah. I know just what to add. Dang, this is a big image.
It's a video game.
This just matches our
There we
gaming
go.
aesthetic.
Yeah.
I love PlayStation.
Tuck
I
it
love
in right
video
there.
games.
Alright, now we gotta include some of our iconic characters.
Like
We got Solid Frank.
Metal Gear Frank. You got Devin Soul.
Oh, you gotta make him green. You
What
gotta make it
is
so green. It's like an MGS4 piss filter. Yeah. There you go.
We're back here. This will be just for the just for the TVs in the audience.
Yeah.
Right there. Alright, now we need Devin.
I love taste.
There we are, Devin, you beautiful bastard.
So hot. Oh my god. It's gonna be like a mark.
Alright, next up, we gotta give representation to Tate 3, the fallen soldier from our Tate 3 video.
Lost Media.
Rest in peace.
Like
Only
how
streamed
whenever
for too long
SpongeBob,
at
there was like a
nighttime.
last episode, and then they uploaded it, and like half the episode was just SpongeBob walking.
Is that real?
And then there's some person, and so I was like, this was fascinating to me as a kid. I know, people say this is a bad episode, but seeing SpongeBob walk just shows how much personality these old seasons had. Like that's so stupid. Like it was a bad episode because SpongeBob was walking for 3 minutes straight. Now we need Dante.
Oh yeah.
Here's the render of him looking smug.
Hot, sexy red Devil May Cry 1 Dante.
Keep the text.
Or,
The one that says faggot. Yeah. You're here, your family.
how do we represent Clayton?
I thought he was gonna be Joey.
We'll tuck this beautiful man.
Oh, because
Clayton.
this one's a pretty good picture
This
too.
is not Clayton, it's just a representation of Clayton. This is like
Yeah. Clayton's
Clayton.
OC.
Oh my goodness, will your dog shut up?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Hate my dog.
I hate that mutt. You should name your dog.
Stupid mutt. I would have named my dog Jtateson if I could have.
Alright, what
This is kind of visible in the actual thing, right?
I think it's just gonna be a very slight edge.
Like 1 pixel.
I don't know, that seems kind of low.
Oh my gosh.
What else do we add?
Jason.
Yeah.
Which one?
Oh my god.
The dog
Like-
mom
Those are, like,
picture.
banging on their wall.
What?
Yeah, dog mom. I can take a new dog mom picture actually. Like an exclusive Jtateson one. Oh yeah.
I like how he's like sitting with Joey. So beautiful.
It'll be beautiful. It'll be a pretty picture. I'm wearing some shirt my uncle had. I think it's Bakugan.
I
That's
love
cool.
Bakugan. Those are the
Like-
things that you roll and then they turn into little guys, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ball guys.
Ball people.
Where can we
Beautiful.
slide this in?
Oh my god, dang.
Alright, let's just keep it for
I
the
mean, it look
iPad
like,
kids. They get a special
Yeah.
little treat for watching us instead of Skip Toilet.
Yeah.
Now we need something just for the people with like big monitors.
Hmm.
What represents us? you know, the two of us. Our special link that no one else has.
We could get Liquid Frank. Jtateson.
Alright, what's on the other end?
What's one of the Metal Gear people?
One of the characters from your game list in advance.
Oh, yeah.
I know what we can do. Hold on. Alright, put him in.
Guys, new next game reveal. I'm coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's right, we're playing him.
We're playing
Can't
with
wait
him.
for this game.
It's what the fans have been begging for. Do we need something at the top?
There's also this render of him, so I think it's really good.
Let's just put that right. There we go.
He's beautiful.
Alright, looks like Shadow the Hedgehog's up next after every other game. So, you know, it's just gonna.
Let's see, is this? She said $1.
Here, wait. This is the best way to fit Shadow in.
Okay, hold on. I don't know who we can put. We can just fill up with the rest. Put $.
Oh, yeah. Without him, nothing would be possible.
Let's see, is this? She say $. Who pussy is this? She say $.
Right.
Stripping so got a 9 to 5. Make a deep throat of mouth, never get dry. Pussy is this? She say $. Oh, he fits with the dish key over there, because they both got the white background.
Oh, yeah. Too bad he's inverted, so it doesn't fit.
Evil $.
Evil tie $. I like to get my, I don't know. What's the opposite? Big pussy. I like to get my pussy
Licked.
while I'm sober.
I like to get my pussy licked while I'm sober.
This is a work of high art. I'm glad I was able to experience the creation with you. Do you have any final words for the camera, either of you?
No, I don't think so.
What about you, Orangecreem from Orange Beams?
What?
Do you have any closing remarks?
Subscribe to Orange Beams. Can you add my
Unless-
beautiful pet hamster to the banner? That's my beautiful pet hamster.
Alright, where do we put Reginald?
Put him in the top right of the actual banner that you can see. Like right next to Jason. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's our banner.
Now my beautiful boy will be preserved forever.
Welcome
Thank you
to
for watching.
X.com.
Subscribe to Jtateson. Like the video. Send it to your grandma. You know what to do.
Yep.
Text your mom this.